Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down and choose display. After that, click on motion smoothness and tap on the best option for you, high or standard. When you finished, choose apply to save your changes. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!